The Procolored F13 Panda A3L1800 DTF printer is a powerful direct-to-film printing solution designed for apparel and textile professionals seeking high-quality output. This printer stands out with its built-in cutter, which not only saves film but also simplifies the entire printing process, allowing for streamlined operation and reduced material waste. Equipped with an upgraded roller feeder, it minimizes film feeding issues and jams, ensuring a smoother workflow and increased reliability for consistent production runs. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below at the latest price. One of the most innovative features of the Procolored F13 Panda is its advanced siphon white ink circulation system. By combining stirring, circulation, and filtration, it prevents printhead clogging and extends the lifespan of the printhead, reducing downtime and maintenance needs. This allows users to maintain a steady ink flow and focus on delivering creative designs without interruptions. Furthermore, the printer features an automatic cleaning function that activates every 10 hours using just 1 milliliter of ink, eliminating the hassle of manual maintenance and ensuring optimal printhead performance. The printer's performance is further enhanced by an adjustable preheating function, which maintains the ink's smooth flow and consistency. This feature prevents poor print quality caused by ink clumping or uneven drying. The film absorption and ink collection mechanisms secure the film firmly during printing while efficiently managing ink distribution, resulting in uniform, sharp prints. The Procolored F13 Panda delivers exceptional print quality with a high-resolution output of 1440 by 1440 dpi and a 6-color printing system. This combination guarantees vibrant colors, smooth gradients, and intricate details suitable for professional apparel printing. The printer supports Windows 7, 10, and 11, making it compatible with a wide range of computer systems. Additionally, the product comes with a comprehensive warranty policy, offering a 6-month warranty for the printhead and a 1-year warranty for other components. Dedicated customer service is available 24/7 to assist with any technical questions or issues. It's important to note that ink, powder, and nozzle protective liquid are packaged separately to ensure machine safety and are not included with the printer package. Overall, the Procolored F13 Panda DTF printer combines innovation, reliability, and quality to meet the demands of apparel printing professionals effectively.